What if I told you that you never have to write a YouTube description again? Imagine saving hours of work while instantly boosting your channel's SEO and engagement. In today's video, we're exploring GravityWrite, an advanced AI writing tool designed to automate your YouTube descriptions with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, GravityWrite makes content automation simple and effective. Stay tuned as we walk through how this tool generates powerful, SEO-optimized descriptions and show you exactly how to use it for your own videos. GravityWrite is an AI-powered writing tool designed to help content creators generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly and efficiently. Its primary purpose is to automate the writing process, making it easier for users to produce engaging material across a variety of platforms. GravityWrite supports more than 30 languages and offers templates for different content types, including YouTube descriptions, blog articles, advertisements, and email sales copy. The platform features advanced AI content generation, allowing users to select from over 25 tones and 10 distinct content categories. Additional tools like AI image generation and an AI text humanizer further enhance the creative process, ensuring that the output is both visually appealing and natural sounding. With its user-friendly interface and versatile capabilities, GravityWrite is a valuable resource for anyone looking to boost productivity and streamline content creation. Let's walk through how to use GravityWrite's YouTube description generator. First, log in to your GravityWrite account and navigate to the dashboard. From here, select the YouTube Description Generator tool. Enter your video title, for example, How to Grow a YouTube Channel with AI Tools. GravityWrite instantly produces a professional, keyword-rich description tailored for YouTube SEO. You can further customize the output by adjusting the tone, adding specific keywords, or refining the call to action to better engage your viewers. The platform also allows you to tweak the structure, ensuring your description matches your channel's style and audience preferences. Once satisfied, simply copy and paste the optimized description into your YouTube upload, streamlining your workflow and boosting your video's discoverability. Let's take a closer look at the AI-generated YouTube description from GravityWrite alongside a manually written version. Right away, you'll notice that GravityWrite's output is packed with relevant keywords, which helps boost your video's visibility through YouTube SEO. The language flows naturally, making the description engaging and easy to read, often more so than a rushed manual draft. Plus, GravityWrite lets you adjust the tone, whether you want something formal, friendly, or energetic, giving you flexibility to match your channel's style. On the pro side, creators save significant time and consistently produce optimized, professional descriptions. However, some users may prefer the personal touch and unique voice that comes from writing descriptions themselves. Overall, GravityWrite excels at automating content while maintaining quality and customization options. GravityWrite offers a range of pricing plans designed to fit various user needs, starting with a free tier that allows up to 1,000 words per month and access to essential content creation tools. For those seeking more flexibility, the Plus plan is available at $8 per month with a 12-month commitment, providing 500 credits for generating up to 100,000 words or 500 AI images monthly. The Pro plan, priced at $49 per month, unlocks 2,500 credits, enabling users to produce up to 300,000 words or 2,500 AI images each month, ideal for agencies or power users. Each plan is tailored to support different levels of content automation and productivity, whether you're a casual creator or managing multiple channels. GravityWrite also includes a free trial, making it easy to explore the platform's features and experience the benefits of AI-generated YouTube descriptions before committing to a paid plan. GravityWrite streamlines the entire process of creating YouTube descriptions, saving you hours of manual writing and boosting your channel's SEO with AI-powered optimization. With automated content generation, you can publish videos faster and ensure every description is packed with relevant keywords and a natural flow. The tool's flexibility lets you customize tone and structure, making it perfect for creators who want engaging professional results. If you're ready to elevate your productivity and automate your YouTube workflow, check out GravityWrite using the link below. Thanks for joining us on AMA AI Tech, where we explore the future of AI tools for creators.